Welcome back. Now, Mandy got a chance to check in with her friends at Ben Moss.
Hey everyone, I'm here at Ben Moss with the lovely Val, and we are talking what is trending in bridal jewelry. Val, thanks for having me today.
You're more than welcome.
I love it. So I see some beautiful pieces here. Let's start with the diamonds. Clusters versus solitaire. What's more popular right now?
Clusters will give you lots of shine, but solitaires will give you the wow effect. One rock, when it's good quality and it's well mined, will always go above and beyond any other piece.
It's the boom piece, right?
It's the boom wow piece, yes.
Let's talk the metal itself. I think white gold's always going to be popular, but is yellow gold making a comeback?
Surprisingly, it's been making a huge comeback. People is asking more and more for yellow gold.
Yeah.
So we just brought it in.
I love it. Hey, if the demand is there, right?
Absolutely, and the pieces look beautiful.
Now I'm seeing some different shapes of diamonds here. Tell me what we have for differences.
Basically, the difference that we can have is you can have a princess cut, you can have a round cut or brilliance, we can have a pear shape, you can have an oval cut, radiant cut, usher cut. There are many differences according to the cut of the diamond.
So does the cut of the diamond or the shape of it affect its brilliance or its quality, its shine?
It depends. For example, the princess cut has less facets than the round brilliant cut.
Okay.
So to equal the quality, you can have a very, very good princess cut that will be absolutely stunning.
What are you finding is one of the most popular shapes right now?
Still the brilliant cut.
Yeah.
It's still the brilliant cut. Round brilliant cut is still the number one.
I love it. Well, thank you so much for sharing this with me today.
You're very welcome.
For more information, visit markandmandy.com.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.